Here are 6 benefits of beets you didn't know about. Number 1. Supports heart health. The nitrates in beets can also help lower blood pressure and improve heart health. Consumption of beets can reduce your risk of heart disease by improving the function of blood vessels. 2. Boosts athletic performance. Beets are rich in nitrates, which help improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles. This can enhance your endurance and performance during exercise. Drink beet juice before your workout to experience the boost. 3. Enhances brain function. Beets can improve cognitive function by increasing blood flow to the brain. This can help enhance memory, focus, and mental clarity, making beets a brain-boosting food. 4. Promotes digestive health. Beets are high in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation. The fiber in beets supports a healthy gut by feeding beneficial bacteria and promoting regular bowel movements. 5. Fights inflammation. Beets contain betalains, which are powerful antioxidants with anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is linked to chronic diseases like arthritis and heart disease. 6. Detoxifies the body. Beets are known for their detoxifying properties. They help support liver function by promoting the elimination of toxins from the body. If you want to see more videos like this, comment, "I need more."